Hello everyone. So if you want to edit videos directly on your Samsung Galaxy phone, here's how to do that. So first of all, open up your gallery. Make sure that you have the desired video right in your gallery. And now let's start editing process. So tap on this pencil icon at the bottom near this heart sign. And first of all, what we can do, we can trim our video. So you can see two handles on the left side and on the right side. And so to trim it to some point, simply drag this handle and now it's gonna be trimmed. Also, you can press adjust speed and you can make it faster and you can manage the timer when it's gonna be faster. All right. Or slower. Great, I'm satisfied with that. Or we can make it slower, right? So basically the same thing, works pretty much the same. I'll make it faster though. I want to make the whole video faster. Great. Now you can rotate it, so you can flip it over, as you always do, basically the same one with the photos. I'll keep it like this. Now you can apply some filters. So here are some filters. You can adjust each one, make with the color, temperature, strength of the filter, contrast, and saturation. Now this is basically the adjustments. So brightness, exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, saturation, tint, temperature, sharpness, and definition. The next one is you can draw something on the screen, right? Let's draw the smiley. You can add up a sticker. Let it be this one. Why not? Looks great. And or text. Yep. Let's add this piece of text. Works great. So here, by tapping on the sound, you can either add up your custom soundtrack or you can add or remove the sound if your video has or doesn't have it. Now simply press save at the top of image choice by pressing save. And after that, you will be able to find your saved video right in your gallery. So there it is. Here's your saved video. Basically, that's it. I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.